Just a procedural matter in NDPS Act. That's what we are following. Okay. And kindly let us do our job. That is what the request.
Okay.
सर कहाँ सर्च चल रहा है
सर
आज तक से बात करते हुए बताइए सर कहाँ चल रहा है सर
Please, two places, Ria's house and Samuel Miranda's.
The official investigation and the continuing trial by the media has created some sensational revelations in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. In a latest development, the NCB team from Delhi is now conducting raids at the residences of Rhea Chakraborty and Samuel Miranda. Here are all the latest updates in the matter. First update. Bombay High Court has urged the media to report responsibly in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. While the quest for justice may be genuine, several times in the past 2 months it has been felt that the media may have overstepped its bounds. Now, as per reports on a legal website, the Bombay High Court has passed an order urging the media to limit their reporting when it comes to Sushant Singh Rajput's investigation and stop reporting in a manner that can hamper the ongoing investigation. This order comes after 2 PILs were filed questioning the manner in which the media has covered the actor's demise. Recently, Rhea Chakraborty had also asked for police protection as she was afraid of the media persons thronging outside her residence. Second update. Shouvik Chakraborty summoned by NCB on Saturday. After chats revealed a possible connection between suppliers of banned substances, Rhea and her brother Shouvik Chakraborty, the NCB had made some crucial arrests in the case. One of the arrested individuals has allegedly told the NCB that he knows Shouvik. Another series of chats has also reportedly been uncovered, which points towards Shouvik being a part of a group where the purchase and sale of banned substances was discussed. The NCB has now summoned Shouvik for questioning on Saturday, where he is likely to be quizzed about his alleged interactions with these cartels. Third update.
इंद्रजीत जी will Rhea cooperate sir will Rhea cooperate sir will Rhea cooperate when will Rhea go
CBI interrogates Rhea Chakraborty's father Indrajit Chakraborty for 5 hours. After grilling Rhea, her brother Shouvik and other key individuals who were present at Sushant's home when he passed away or were closely associated with the actor, the CBI has now questioned Rhea's father Indrajit Chakraborty for 5 hours.
will Rhea cooperate sir will Rhea cooperate sir will Rhea cooperate when will Rhea go
He was reportedly asked about the family's financial dealings, allegations that he too was consuming banned substances, which his son Shouvik was sourcing as per newly unearthed chats, Rhea and Sushant's relationship and breakup, and allegations that he had given Sushant heavy medications. We will keep bringing you all the updates in this case and keep you informed of all important developments.